When you're turning and you're seeing these beautiful ribbons coming off of your gouge as you're turning the bowl, it's very easy to get caught up in it and almost mesmerized by what you're doing. And you start to just keep going and going and going. And pretty soon you realize you're halfway through a bowl and you haven't stopped. And you really need to stop every 2 minutes or so and double check yourself. You want to check the inside of the bowl, make sure that you're still staying on line. Is it getting too thick here and too thin here? Which it does look like I need to go just a little bit straighter down here if I want to follow the line of the outside of the bowl. And you also want to come back here, make sure that your tenon is still working properly. Are you attached? Does it need to be tightened at all? You know, maybe just do a little tiny turn of the key to make sure. Check for little things like this. Like if you had a crack on the outside, check to make sure it's not getting worse as you go. Or is it showing up on the inside? If it's showing up on the inside, like right in here, it's just about starting to. You want to make sure you don't end up with a crack that goes all the way through the bowl and you lose the bowl entirely. You also see that I'm getting some end grain showing here that's not cutting real smoothly. That means that I need to change my technique or maybe sharpen my blade, or my gouge, I should say, because sometimes we just tend to keep pushing because we're enjoying it so much. We just keep pushing and riding that blade and riding it down and riding it down and watching all the things, and all of a sudden it grabs and bam, you've lost your whole bowl. So take a minute, breathe, adjust things a little bit, tighten things up, clean things out, get this out of your area here so that it's easier for you to see what you're doing. And I think you'll find that you have much better turnings, you enjoy the process a little bit more, and it's more relaxing. This is not something where your tension's supposed to be going up, your blood pressure should not be going up, it should be going down when you're turning bowls. And if you enjoy this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. We need more subscribers. And thank you very much for your time.